So our business is Epic Machinery. This year, 2024, will be 50 years since we were established. It's stayed in our family. We're third generation now. We focus on manufacturing sheet metal machinery for mainly the Australian steel industry. We chose to go solar because we didn't have much of a choice really. Being a small business and the rising cost of electricity, we done the sums and it was worthwhile in every way and better for the environment in the end. We came across Solahart online. We looked into a few different solar quotes, but we ended up going with Solahart because they seem to have the best package and best service. Built up a good relationship with Jamie and the whole team quite a fair bit since we started the journey, and it's been good. And the main thing is the after sales service has been there and the help's been there, and there's someone on the phone every time we need them to be.